Hey, Josh here. I just want to quickly tell you how to use the risk drivers dashboard. So you'll find it on the left-hand side, just below TRA and QSRA and above mitigations. When you click onto this page, you will need to have a plan uploaded. And really what this is a tornado chart that shows you two things. I can filter by the activities that have the most weather days. So this excavation activity is giving me 14 weather days. And that is at the P80. So up here, I can see that I could select the P40 or the max, the P20, the min. That just allows me to quickly get a sense of what that is. So, but I can also, if I just go back to the P80, I can filter by planned end date. So this is the percentage of times where that activity actually pushed the end date out. So you can see that this activity, although it only has 2 weather days attached to it, is highly correlated with running over the end date. This is similar to the critical path, but soon we'll have a critical path function and will also allow you to filter by different planned end dates. Of course, you've got the print view button in the top right corner where you can print this view out. Thanks so much for listening.